Assalamu alaikum. How are you? This is Abdul Alim, and today I have brought another series of paragraph writing. In a previous video, I tried my best to teach you what is a paragraph. I told you the definition of the paragraph, importance of paragraph, how to write a paragraph. Today, in this video, I have brought four paragraphs because paragraph is a basic unit of any lengthy composition. So you have to try, you have to put your efforts to understand the paragraph. So please stay with me and let us study these paragraphs. I have many hobbies, but I like reading most. Books are always a good friends to me. It is a good way to improve my vocabulary by exposing many new words. I started reading book when I was in grade 3. My brother inspired me to do that. I usually share my hobby with my friends and my English teacher. By reading, I get better at concentration because it requires me to focus on what I'm reading for long periods. It also opens up knowledge doors for me. Reading books tells me about the world's history, let me see the structure of the brain, or bring me a story of Sherlock Holmes. I think reading is one of the most interesting indoors activity and I will keep this hobby forever. Now look at the first sentence. First sentence is the topic sentence. Okay. Now look at the last sentence. The last sentence is concluding sentence. It looks that he is going to end the paragraph. The new word here is concentration. Concentration means with full attention. Now let us study second paragraph, teacher. I am going to also read it and going to explain. I will explain the word meaning also. Teachers are a special blessing from God to us. They are the ones who build a good nation and make the world a better place. A teacher teaches us the importance of a pen over that of a sword. They are much esteemed in society as they elevate the living standard of people. They are like the building blocks of society who educate the people and make them better human beings. Let me tell you the meaning of two words. The first word is elevate. Elevate means to raise the value of somebody. किसी की कदर बढ़ाना, किसी की अहमियत बढ़ाना. The second word is esteemed. Esteemed means respectable. बहुत इज्जत वाला. Now look at the first sentence. First sentence is a topic sentence and all remaining sentences are related to the topic. There is outstanding unity in this paragraph. Okay, and apart from that you can see the vocabulary, you can see the ideas, beautiful ideas are used. Now last sentence is concluding sentence and now it looks that paragraph is going to be ended. Let us read another paragraph, that is the education. This is a small paragraph. I am going to read it, you stay with me and I will explain it, so I think you can understand it also. Education is a lifelong process which continues from birth to death. It includes all experiences, influences, and knowledge the individual gained throughout his life. All the life of the individual is full of education. So every individual must develop ways of dealing with the world in which he or she lives. Look at the paragraph. The paragraph is looking very small. There's no rule of length of the paragraph. Paragraph can be lengthy, paragraph can be short. The first sentence, the topic sentence, look at the last sentence, which is concluding sentence, and there is a beautiful unity. And the ideas which are used, they are very, very noble ideas. The first word is gained. Gained means to get, hasil karna. And second word is throughout. Throughout means complete. Deal with means face it. Let us read and understand the third paragraph about the camel. Camel is an important animal of the earth which mainly belongs to the Arabia. It is a most useful animal in the desert because it runs fast on the sand where vehicles can't run. That's why it is called a sheep of the desert. They eat a lot of food and drink lots of water at a time and store it in their hump, which is on their back. The stored food and water in the hump help the camel to walk and walk tirelessly, and they can live without food and water for many days. Let me tell you word meaning. A lot or a lots of means many, a great number of. Tirelessly means without any break. The third word is vehicles. Vehicles means transport, bus, car, etc. Now look at the first sentence. The first sentence is very beautiful topic sentence, and remaining all sentences are related to the topic sentence. This is also one of the beautiful, well organized paragraphs. So there is a unity. Now see the selection of the words, see the grammar, there's no mistake, and see the ideas which are used here. I'm going why I have brought these paragraphs, because for a paragraph writing you need rich vocabulary. So if you watch these paragraphs you can get different words which are very useful. Okay, thank you so much. So if you like this video, please share it to the people and subscribe my channel. I will be thankful to you. Thank you so much.